Good evening, everyone. So, yesterday we had discussed about the Excel history. So, today we'll brief the Excel window, what it is. This first one is a menu tab. The all menu will be coming here. It is also called as a ribbon. So, for accessing ribbon, we need to click on File, Option, and Customize ribbon. So here, main tab we can customize accordingly. So here are few options are background, removal, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view, automate, developer, add-ins, help, and Power Pivot. These are the options. We are giving the brief overview. What is the home tab? How can we access everything? How can we find the formula? Everything will share to you. So let's go to home tab. This first things is known as a clipboard. In it we have few paste options available, cut, copy option available, and format painter. Next one is a font. Here are the font types. Theme font are there like Calibri, Arial Black, Times Roman. Many are there. Next is a font size. Increase the size, decrease the size, bold, italic, underline. There are few options how to customize the border. There are the fill option where we can fill the Excel. Next one is font color. So these are the font things. Alignment. These are also important to features the data. Few numbers option are there. So every small window has some toggle. So from that toggle we can access everything. So next one is a number format. There are few numbers. First is journal, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, and last one is text. More number formats are there. We'll discuss later. Next is, here are few accounting formats are English, it's a rupee symbol, dollar symbol, sterling symbol, euro symbol, franc. More currency are there. Beside of that, there is a percentage symbol. This one is a simple number format. It turned into numbers or accounting. Let's keep it a journal. This is the left increased decimals and this is the decreased decimals. So next option is style. Style, we have the conditional format, format as a table, cell style, and we have next is option is a cell. Cell options are insert, delete, and format. Next option is editing. This one is a auto sum. This one is a fill. How to fill the data. Next one is clear. We need to clear those data. We can do that. In it we have sort and find and select. Analysis option button is there. Sum stop converter. It has been introduced. For the home window we have to customize like this. So we'll give you the detailed video for the each and every buttons or ribbon option. So that would be good. Or maybe clipboard option, maybe window option like this. One day we'll cover clipboard, one day we'll cover font, one day we'll cover alignment, one day we'll cover numbers formatting, then style, then cell editing. It will be long video, but slowly we'll introduce few other ribbons options. So let's discuss about the insert. Insert, there is a pivot table, recommended pivot table, illustrations, and get add-ins. Few add-ins is available already. So this one is a chart option. Next one is a 3D map or tour. Next one is a sparkline, then filter, then few links and comment and text options. Here we can put the header and footer text, and few symbols are there. Next option is page layout. Here is a few things we can customize. So here let's discuss about the themes. Here are themes. Next is a page setup. Page setup will help to how to design the page option for the print or background. We can customize width, height, scale according to our need. Next option is a scale to fit. Then sheet options are there, grid line, headline, everything we can bring it. Next is formula. So formula we have classified into various things like insert function. Here is a graphical way we can do the insert function options. Next one is a recently used, financials, logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, maths and trigonometry, and more function. More function would be statistical, engineering, cube, informations, compatibility, and web. So we'll discuss that. We will have the detailed video, each and every formula, whatever the necessary, we'll discuss and describe the each and every part of the formula. So I'm giving you few hints. So let's start with the VLOOKUP. The moment we start the lookup, it has the lookup value. Lookup values such as I written A1, then comma, then table array. What is the table array? We'll discuss. Suppose I write here A2 to B5. Next is the column index number and range lookup. So this is the, so it has the 4 fields. We'll discuss each formula in a detailed video. Next option is data. Data is a, so first window of in data, it is a transform and get data. So for getting data, we can have from file, from other database, we can interact with the many things from Excel. So we can refresh our data, we can organizations details. There are the data types are there. There are 4 data types are there. So accordingly, it will give you the brief of the highlights. Next is just sort and filter. So we can do the sort, filter, and advanced filter. Few data tools are there. Text to column, flash fill, remove duplicates, and data validations. So here one option is there, power pivot window. We'll discuss in later. Then another option is a forecast, and there is an outline screen is there, how it will help to group the data like column wise or row wise. We'll discuss. Next is analysis. So after data, we will have review button. Review, here is a first is proofing. First of all, we can check the spelling, thesaurus, and Excel statistic. It will show the entire statistic. What are the formula you have used? What are the cell you have captured? What are the tables there? So next is accessibility. It will help to check the accessibility if it is good to go or not. Look up smart, translate, changes, many comments options are there. We can have the notes. We can protect the sheet. We can protect the workbook. We can protect the range also. So next option is view. So in view, this is a sheet view. Sheet view is now default. Next is the workbook view. The navigations so are there. Zoom options is there. Next, Windows is there. And last, there's a few actions. Scripting options are there for the automate the Excels. Few predefined scripts is already written, or we can rewrite those things. Developer options are there. We'll discuss along with Excel detailed video of VBA in later classes. First is Visual Basics. This is the window where we can apply codes. That could be public or private. We'll discuss everything. Everything we'll discuss. Next is add-ins. We can integrate Excel with some add-ins like AI tools. Next one is controls. Here we can put some ActiveX, form control, properties, view codes, everything. Then later on is XML. XML is a extreme markup language. So we'll discuss slowly. Next option is a help button. We can find help. So accordingly, in help button, you can find the formula. It will show you everything. So last one is a Power Pivot. We'll not discuss about Power Pivot. We'll discuss about Power BI. It is similar to the Power Pivot. So if you need any help related to Excel, you can write comment box. I'll surely help you to analyze the data, to brief the report, everything, or in kind of Excel formula will help you. So now we are concluding this session. Thanks.